How to order Uber Eats with promo code.
The very first thing you want to make sure that the application Uber Eats is already installed on your device. If not, you can easily get it from your app store. Once you have installed on your device, open it. And then enter your login credential and sign in to your specific account. Once you have been signed in, it will land you on its homepage. Now what you want to do is head over to account at the bottom right corner and then click on wallet. Now click on add fund. Tap on gift card.
Now you simply have to enter the promo code that you have.
Once you have entered, click on save. Once you click on save,
the promo code will be saved into your Uber Eats account.
After that, whenever you try to purchase something from Uber Eats, at the time of the checkout,
in the total amount, you will see the option of discount and the amount of discount that has been given. Well, you should know that the discount is given with the help of your promo code. Well, you can also get certain amount of offers with it,
and then you'll be good to go.
So that's it, and this is simply how you can order Uber Eats with promo code.
I really hope this video is going to be helpful for you. Thank you for watching it till the end.